description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that was sent by James from Lakeside, California. And it's a Vietnamese variety. This is Viet Cuisine Shiitake with bean thread. So it's probably mung bean sprout thread. And we will commence immediately. Retort pouch, that goes in last. It comes with a spoon and a fork. So that's kind of cool. Not a common thing, it's usually one or the other. I have had variety, this is one that always comes up. You should be using chopsticks. Everybody uses chopsticks, Ramen Raider. Like, in the instant noodle realm, 90% of the time, I would say even higher than that, when you get something from Asia that's in a bowl and comes with a utensil, it's a fork. Maybe even a spork. Spoons? Not very often. But yeah, it's not all that common to find anything other than a fork with an instant noodle or something with tines, something foldable. There's our vegetable. Here's our soup base powder. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, I don't have a good feeling about this one. I started grabbing through stuff in my hamper of noodle majesty, and I was like, okay, I'll do this one. Yeah, this looks good. I'll do this one. Yeah, this looks good. Oh. And then I decided I would do this one. And so I'm doing this one. I'm not exactly thrilled to be doing this one. But we are. Because I'm not gonna just because I don't think I'm gonna like it, that will not stop me from reviewing it. But this one, I have a feeling I am not gonna be extremely keen on, but you never know. I could all of a sudden just flip out and be like, oh my god, this shiitake mushroom instant mung bean thread is where it's at. I don't see it happening, but we'll see. So went out to do my daily walk, and yesterday it was windy, kind of rainy, kind of funky. Today it's supposed to hit 70 degrees. It's sunny out. And tomorrow there's a severe thunderstorm warning for western Washington and northern Oregon. Now, it's on a scale from 1 to 5, right? It's a 1. There is a marginal risk of a severe thunderstorms. That seems really non-committal to me. I'm sorry, but it's why even mention it? I don't know. But I guess we'll see. We could have no, it was not thunderstorms. We're supposed to have lots of thunderstorms rolling through, but there's a possibility of tornadoes. Tornadoes. That's weird. I think the best chance of anything interesting weather related around here would be a water spout down by Lake Washington, which I'm pretty sure those things just kind of crap out as soon as they hit shore, but that'd be kind of neat to see. Sure. Why not? I might check it out. But I don't think we'll get anything that extreme. But I'll bet you we do have a lot of wind. Yeah. So we had our daughter's softball practice yesterday, and oh my god, these kids need to get together, folks. They need to focus, and they have zero It's like, I think the team they played last Saturday, I think they give them all some cherry Kool-Aid with Ritalin in it or something, because they're on it. I mean, they're like little girls playing with these rocks and screaming about how they had pet rocks that had pet rocks that had pet rocks. One of the girls was the coach's daughter, one of the coach's daughters. It's like, you have, I just want to like sign a little thing. You are more than welcome to scream at my kid if she's doing stuff like that. Even though we'll be there, you know. But it's just like, really? Really? I don't know. I'm just like, I think those guys are doing the best they can. You can tell that they're like really frustrated with the whole thing. They need to, I don't know. I'm not a, you know, I should save this bowl. No, I shouldn't. I was thinking about it, but now I'm like, nah, look at that. That's mungy. So, just to make things easier for my life, I'm doing some slices in it to make it less of a serious pain in the butt to try to sample this stuff. And I'm just going to use scissors on this because I don't want to make more of a mess than is humanly necessary. Oh, mushroom gooiness. I don't know. I'm right there. I'm happy to say I'm generally not a big fan of mushrooms. Not my... Whoa. I'm really not a fan of mushrooms. Okay, let's have a look-see, shall we? Here's our bowl. I know this isn't going to be bad as the river snail. So, Viet Cuisine can, like, not have to worry about that. I don't think. Let's see. Wow. That is hot. Not like spicy hot, but very warm. How is it? It's not bad. It's better than I expected. I'm generally, like I said, not a fan of mushroom. I'll try the broth with a chunk of the mushroom. So retorch pouches, that big silver pouch, they're like flexible cans when you think about it. Yeah. Okay, what's going on here? That might work. Okay. It's better than expected, so I'm not going to say anything bad about it. I generally don't, but, you know. It's better than I expected. I'm just going to... Whoa! Leave it at that. And there we go. Okay. So what are we going to throw in here? Well, my thought was coriander, crushed red pepper, and a little sesame seed. That's like, seems like a good little trio of things to add on in. I don't really think it needs much else. I could add a little fried onion. I don't think that would hurt. I don't think there would be any adverse effects. there we go. I think that's a fair assessment. It's not bad. But yeah, let's let Rotato rotate and watch it go. Well, that was interesting. I didn't expect to like it as much as I do, and it's not bad. The next one that I'm doing is a variety out of China. It's Yangzhang Gui. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but it's this hot and sour, sour spicy flavor with a braised egg. And yeah, I'm excited to try it. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. What do you want to do?
What they Canada?
You want to go to Canada?
Yes.
What's in Canada?
Hello Kitty Canada.
Oh, Hello Kitty's in Canada?
Yes.
I don't know if we're going to go see Hello Kitty. We might. You like Canada, huh?